Kala Mia prize money knockout football tournament was organized at the Yuva Rajnagar Secondary School field today. Meanwhile, the police officer threatened to stop the match and tried to sabotage the game, saying the organizers did not take prior permission for the tournament. Finally, the police officer backed down under public pressure.
You will be
The inaugural match of this competition, organized by the Jiban Sathi Welfare Club, was attended by a large crowd of people, young, old and women, who all got involved in the excitement of the game. The game was in full swing, but the police intervened. Right at the beginning of the game, Dharmanagar police appeared on the field, allegedly despite seeking permission in advance and receiving verbal consent from the organizers. The SI threatened to stop the match and tried to sabotage the game. When the villagers protested together, SI Biswajit Das was finally forced to retreat and the football match continued as planned by the organizers.
Have you given any notice? Yes or no?
জিজ্ঞেস করলে তো হবে না আমি কই দিলাম না নোটিশ ছাড়া কালকে আপনারা রাতে
Peacefully খেলা করতে দেন না you are responsible. You will be responsible. You will be responsible. আমি কথা বলেছি ভাই এই জীবের সঙ্গে আমি কথা বলেছি আপনি কথা বলুন আপনি কথা বলুন আমি কথা বলেছি চলো মাঠে চলো চলো মাঠে চলো
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.